described it as a process that provides checks and balances on the government, but according to attorney Milton Evans, judicial review is more important than most people are aware.
The judicial review is a process, basically more than anything else. It's a legal process whereby a superior court, which in our case would be the Supreme Court, has the ability and the power to review decisions that are made by ministers of government, government departments, government agents. First of all, you got to get the leave of the court. One does not just go to court and make an application for judicial review. You have to lodge with the court an application for leave supported by an affidavit. That affidavit will set out, number one, exactly what your complaint is, what your standing is, the relief that you're seeking, so that the court can make a determination that, okay, this is something that has some merit on the face of it that warrants further review. Obviously, if they think that is not, they will say to you, listen, we're not going to have you waste the court time with something of that nature. And it's also important because these things normally affect the functioning of government. Okay, so it needs to be dealt with quickly, and so what the law requires is that you must bring an application within 6 months of the event that you complain about, and you must do it promptly. And once you've gotten leave, then there is a fast track, certain time frames that are imposed by the court to ensure that this is dealt with quickly, because you don't want the government's function held up indefinitely while you go through this process.
Now, if you're wondering what grounds a person can apply for a judicial review, listen up.
Number one, you can take the position that he didn't have the authority, i.e. he's not the minister vested with the power to do so. He may be interfering in something that does not concern him, okay? And so that's one instance. Or he has certain powers, but he has exceeded those powers, you know? Or you could complain about the fact that, okay, he made the decision without giving me an opportunity to explain my side of the story. Okay, or he may have had a particular, all of those things are available as part of the complaint.
Mr. Evans also explains just how successful persons have been in making judicial review applications.
Persons have been fairly successful. Fortunately, I think most of these instances have been resolved, you know, in process somehow along the way. I think there have been one or two, I think, that have been notorious where both parties have dug in their heels over the years. And these are the things that have become, you know, very problematic and very popular in the public's mind. But what they do show is that the court can and will, where necessary, exert proper control over the functioning of the executive or the government as they conduct their affairs.
So until next week, I'm Sasha Lightborn, and now you know you're right.